Hello friend, how are you? So today I going to discuss can and could. English phrasal verb can and could. How to use can and could. Can and could very important in English grammar. So let's start how to use can and could. Can and could. Can present form and could past form. So we use ability. আমরা ability বোঝাতে can use করি. So I give an example. I can speak Chinese, and also it will be used past. He could swim well when he was 10 years old. That also present and past form. And we also use possibility, present from possibility. One wrong move can lose the whole game. And when we talk past, so that is a lot of employee could be fired. That is also past tense. And informal way we take permission, so there we also use can. If you need, you can take me car. If you need, you can take my car. So this is informal way to use can. And formal way, polite way, we take permission that way. So we tell right, could I open the window? This is the polite way. And also we would request, we can use can you give me a hand? And request বোঝাতে, যদি রিকোয়েস্ট বোঝাতে ইনফর্মাল ওয়ে, ফর্মাল ওয়ে, পোলাইট ওয়েতে আমরা বলতে পারি. সো উই ক্যান ইউজ কুড ইউ ওপেন দ্য ডোর প্লিজ? So this is the polite way we use could. If you have elder, your senior, so definitely you would say, could you open the door? Could you help me please? So that is the example. And offer, also help. How can I help you? And suggestion, you could call me whenever you want. So last one, cannot, not allow. And also past form আছে conditional of can. So I give you example. You cannot smoke here. This is the hospital. Cannot. And conditional of can, if you call me, I could help you. এছাড়াও আপনারা ক্যান কুড নানাভাবে ব্যবহার করতে পারেন. সাপোজ আই গিভ ইউ অ্যান এক্সাম্পল. Can I smoke here? And also you speak polite way, could I smoke here? So this is the actually use can and could. Okay.